That's it?
Well, no, it's okay now. Just because you have to bring it there slowly.
I go here this time. So, you see yourself? Yeah. Say hi, Sal.
Yeah, there's a red light now. I
Yeah.
can't see myself anymore.
It said it means it's recording. It's closing the view, so it's save battery.
Allô la gang, on lève les bras dans les airs si on parle en français. Hi guys, raise your hands up in the air if you speak English.
Hello.
Alright, have a nice ride.
Hello. For a fun and safe ride, it is mandatory to stay seated and to firmly hold the handles intended to this purpose until the tornado stops. Once you finish the ride, immediately clear the slide and bring back your tornado to the employee located at the bottom of the mechanical lift. Enjoy the ride.
Merci beaucoup. 1, 2.
3, But there was a super big chunk, there was a big chunk fight right in your back. Did you feel it didn't hurt?
No. I help me wait a minute. It's just oh shit, I was like so dizzy. A good thing they will go here because this one is harder to
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
It's hard.
Because we're just too
My goodness, it turns a lot.
I was not expecting. At first I was like, oh, we're not spinning, and then it starts spinning around.
True.
Un moment d'attention, s'il vous plaît. Madame Touria Barouche est priée de se présenter immédiatement au contour de l'information. Donc, Madame Touria Barouche est priée de se présenter immédiatement au contour de l'information.